Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Many of us know the advantages of eating millets, especially ragi, which is high in fiber, calcium, very good for health. But we don't know how to make recipes out of it or how to make the recipes tasty. So today we are coming out with yet another tasty recipe, that is Ragi Puttu. For this, I have taken 1 cup of ragi flour. Now just sprinkle some water so that it just becomes moist and a little bit crumbly, like breadcrumbs in texture. See, this should be the texture of your flour, just like breadcrumbs. So don't add too much water at a time, just sprinkle a little water at a time, and there should be no lumps. To make sure that there are no lumps, you can actually also sieve this flour. Here I have kept some water for steaming. Now we'll add this flour to this steamer plate. We just place the flour lightly on it. Don't press it down tightly packed. Place it lightly. And now that the water is boiling, we can place this in the steamer and steam it over a medium flame for about 20 minutes. I switched it off now. Let's open it and see. Just I'm transferring it into this bowl. So our ragi flour is steamed well and ready. Now I'll make two versions. First we'll make the traditional sweet puttu. For this, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. We'll fry some cashew nut pieces in the ghee. See, the cashew nuts are well fried to a golden brown color. Now I'll switch it off. We'll add a portion of this steamed ragi flour to this and mix it well in the ghee. So out of the 1 cup, half cup I have used here for the sweet puttu. I switched off the flame and just mixing this steamed ragi along with the ghee and cashew nuts. Next, this is half a cup of fresh grated coconut. I have added 1/4 cup now for the sweet version. 1/4 cup of grated coconut. This is jaggery powder. You can add about 4 or 5 tablespoons depending on your sweetness, how sweet you like it. Give you the link to this jaggery powder in the description box. It is very clean and the quality is excellent. I always like to use this only. Finally, I have peeled some cardamoms and crushed them. Add the cardamom powder for flavor and mix everything well together. There, your lovely, tasty, traditional recipe of ragi puttu is now done and ready. Your absolutely delicious and fluffy ragi puttu is ready. Even people who normally refuse to eat ragi will love this puttu. Definitely try it and try out the taste. Share it with your family and friends. Next we'll see how to make a savory version using the same steamed ragi flour, and which people who cannot take sweets, diabetics, those who don't want to eat a jaggery, they can try this version too. Here I am taking 2 teaspoons of oil. Add a few mustard seeds. A tablespoon of groundnuts. Some urad dal. Fresh curry leaves. 1 green chilli and a small piece of hing. Stir all these together till the nuts and dals are well roasted. See, now everything is well roasted. We will add the remaining steamed ragi flour to this. Stir everything well together. Add some salt to taste. And finally 1/4 cup of this fresh grated coconut. Over a low flame, stir everything well together just for a minute and you can switch it off. Our savoury puttu is also now ready to be served. Let me share a small secret with you. Some family members used to run a mile at the mere mention of ragi because they didn't like the taste or appearance and just refused to even buy ragi. But when I made this sweet puttu and gave it for taste, oh, they just loved the taste and could not believe that it was made out of ragi. So definitely you too try it out. I'm sure all of you will love, especially this ragi sweet puttu very much. So do try out the recipe, share with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.